Welcome to all in SST College. This is the SST Edupedia. Today I am taking the introductions about how to make an app. Before starting to app, I am explaining the class SYCS SAM 4 subject Android development topic my Android app. My name is Vandana Soni. This is we make a Android app for using the Android Studio. In this starting with these videos, I am also explain how to install Android applications. Now today we will discuss about the how to make an application. So first we have to start the create Android applications. The first step is to create a simple Android application using Android Studio. When you click on the Android Studio icon, you will get some information related. What are that? The welcome to Android Studio. We have to see the step 1. In this case, we are seeing the start of the new Android Studio project, open and exist Android Studio project, import an Android code sample, check out project with the version control, import project configurations and the doc and how to. First we have clicked first option, start a new Android Studio application. After that we got some configuration your new project. Method. Step 2 represent the whenever we try to read are the applications, the application is related to our projects. It means what? The name of the application should be clear. Whenever we try to return the name in the application name text column, it should be related to your project. Second thing, the company name, specify your company icon, and the package name, storage of the application domain. Next, project locations, whenever we try to save our project in your machine, system, whatever, then click on the next option. After that we got a step number 3. The step 3 represents select the form of the factor your app will run on. We have to write something API, phone and the tablet name we want to use for the depends our system. We make an application with a phone, with a TV, with any other Android development contents. Then tap the next. After next, we got a step number 4, the Android activity to mobile. First, we have choose the lots of activity in this panel. Before starting all the connectivity with the panel, we have to use our depends on the applications. We want to make a layout, we want to make a creativity, we want to make a game planning and simple login form. So, first we start with the blank activity, then press on the next. After click on next, we show something different, the form and the layout with the panel. We have to see the lots of toolbars and the content in with the mobile simulator. We have to see the mobile Xerox in our screen, that is called a emulator, and whole screen represent the layout of the how to development start with the Android applications. There are some application and toolbar available. We have to see my applications, app, REST system, source files and the content is related. We are representing the two different forms, designing and text. Whenever we click on the design, we got a simple designing part. We just select, drag and drop of the code to a simulator. And after code, we have to change something. Now, we have to see the rest. The file name is the XML, active XML. Folder, file and description. These are the main panel depends on this making this app. Start with the Java. This is contain a Java source file for your project. By default, it include an main activity.java. That is the name of the file. To source file, having an activity class that run when your app is the launched using the app icon. Res durable HTTPI. This is the directory for the durable object are they designed for the high density the screen. REST layout. This is the directory for the file that define your app's user interface system. REST values. This is a directory for other various XML file that contain a collection of the resources such as the string and the color is the definition. Android manifest.xml. That is one of the most important file we have to use. This is a manifest file which describe the fundamental characteristic of the app and they define each of the component system and build glad. It is a auto-generated file. This is a content of the compile SDK version and build tool version and applications and meet version and target SDK version and lots of file will be there with the help of that. Just we have to start the main activity.java file. In this screen we are seeing some information related to making a Android app. The package com.xml hello world. Just we want to print this word hello world. Import the build data is connected with the activities and so on. The manifest file is start with the some XML dot extension and we are try to write something. In this case the applications contain manage the overall Android component. We are using the making the systems and finish the manifest file. Some following is the list target which you will your manifest file. Specify different Android applications component. Activity is defined as element of the activities, service, element of the service, receiver, element for the broadcast receivers and provider, elements for the content provider. After that we are discussing about the string files. The string files is means we have to use hello words and hello word is totally many kinds of the information show in the your emulator. We can change also. Write a app name, hello words, menu string, title activity names. These kind we have to change and write in our resource file. Layout something specify the design to emulator. We are using the text, view, edit, editor. This kind of the information relate with the layout function. Layout is show the horizontal, vertical and more many applications and facility available with the layout system. Running the applications, just we have to connect with the AVD manager. AVD is show in the your toolbox. If you click on the toolbox, AVD manager will be open. Select your device what you want and click on the next option. Your virtual device is connected. After that you are seeing to all the application with your simulator. The simulator represent the hello word is the display. After that displaying this word you have to click on the run button and make sure the connect with the your mobile system showing the properly.